Welcome to the final loops video of second grade. This is very exciting. Third grade, you will be doing much more cursive. So as always, ladies, we do things ish. We are finishing these last three capital letters. And we're only going to review the letters we did yesterday because they were quite tricky. So page 51, sneaky snake tops. You do the same kite string, up, snake top, up, snake top. Then we did our F, kite string. You kind of make the T with the snake top, and then you just do a little line. Kite string, snake top, line. Those are some nice letters. Now the next letter was not so nice, and I even had trouble with it. So the W, you start with that half heart. It's the half heart letters. So you half heart, back up to the top line, down, kick out. It kind of looks like a distorted or a manipulated crown almost, or a star. So half heart, up, kick. Now with the X, we still do the half heart, and then you go up to the top line, and then you do like a curly Q at the bottom. So half heart, up, curl. Then we did the left swingers, the J and L. So the L starts below this bottom line. Go around like the lowercase L, but a little bit bigger. Kick in if you're not connecting it to another letter, and around and kick out if you're connecting it to another letter. The J also starts below the line, around, down, loop. Round, down, loop. Now for the last three types of capitals. Our first one is our fat belly. And I will tell you this, the G is hard, but we do things ish. We try our best. I'm not looking for perfection, just for you to be trying. So you start on the bottom. You go up to loop, out for a point. Don't pick up your pencil. Down, kick in if you're doing an initial. So if Gwen's just doing her initials, you kick in like that. So up, around, kick in. If you're connecting it, you're doing that kick out. So you're going up, around, down, kick out. Let's try and write some. So you start down here, you go up, around, kick in. That's for initials. Okay, this is if I'm connecting it. Connecting because we have that kick out to connect. Okay, just do them ish. They're tricky. Then for our S, the other fat belly letter, or one of the other, you start on the bottom line. You kind of do a figure eight. Kick in if you're not connecting. So for Sarah, she's doing her initials. So up, around, kick in. If you're connecting it, you go up, around, kick out. So it's kind of like a figure eight. Let's see. So you go up, around, kick in. If you're not connecting, almost looks like you're making a bird. Kick in. And then if you're connecting it, you just do that kick out. So you're doing that same movement, but you're just kicking it out so that you can connect it eventually. Okay, the other two letters, the L and D, and I love making the L capitalized. Oh, and you know what? I made a mistake. Yesterday, I think I was saying this was an L and it is an I. I can't believe I did that. I was thinking of the lowercase L. So this was an I. This is the L, and I love doing this L. You've seen me do it many times on your morning message. So you start at the top. You do like a squiggle down, around, down, around. With letters like the L and G and S, you really need to just do a lot of tracing to practice this movement because it looks very confusing, but once you practice it, it becomes like second nature. That's our L. Okay, so sometimes you'll see me writing love. Okay. The other letter you're doing today is a D. So you're starting at the top, you go down, loop around, loop up. Down, around, down, around, loop up. Now this one's going to be tricky for me. Let me see. Down, around, loop up. There we go. Start up here, down, around, loop up. Down, around, loop up. And that is your D. I forgot to mention this on the last page, but like always, you do a G, kick out, G, kick in, S, S, or S, kick out, S, kick in. Do those letters down the lines. With here, L, L, D, D, do them down the lines. And now for our final letter. Our final letter, okay. And here we're going to practice the lowercase z again, because guess what? They look the same, but you want to make sure you're doing the uppercase C correctly, because the only difference is one line. And so you need to make sure you're doing it correctly. In case you have to write a name like Zachary, you want to make sure you know the capital Z. So you do kind of it's kind of like the half heart. You go in, loop, kick. But you're starting at the middle line. That's the difference. The lowercase c starts on the bottom line. The uppercase starts at the middle line. Go up, in, kick. Let's try it. So this was the lowercase c we learned. This is the uppercase. So you're starting up here instead. Maybe one more. Okay. And on this page, you're going to be doing uppercase, 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 lowercase. So practicing the differences going down. And ladies, that is our final loops lesson. You can finish this book if you want over the summer just for practice, but you are not responsible. You have done a fantastic job this year practicing your cursive. Practice it again this summer. If you're writing in your journal over the summer, maybe write one entry a week in cursive so you get practice in it, because remember, you're going to be doing assessments and activities in cursive in third grade. But don't worry if you're still confused by it. The third grade teachers will go over it again next year. But get practicing, and good luck, ladies.